What can families do to encourage a habit of reading, a love for reading in their children? That is what we will be answering in this video. In this video, I will be sharing with you 6 ways that you can encourage a habit of reading at home, and they're super simple things you can do daily. And be sure to stick to the end, because I will also be sharing with you a free resource you can use to help you get started using these 6 steps right away.
Step number 1, display books where your child can see and reach for them. Now, why does this work? You are setting up their environment for success by encouraging activity in plain sight. Remember, out of sight, out of mind. Number 2, you want to put out books that are age appropriate. Why does this work? Because you are being considerate of their developmental needs and interests. This makes it likely to capture their attention and not lose interest in what you or they are reading. Number 3, have them choose what books to read and how many. Why does this work? When you allow them to choose, you offer independence and a sense of control. And let me tell you, kids love this. Reading time should be a choice, not a chore. Remember that. Number 4, make it a family activity. Why does this work? Children enjoy activities that include all of their family members. Family reading time can be maybe before bedtime, after breakfast, or during any family's downtime. Number 5, set the example. Be a role model. Why does this work? I'm sure you've noticed kids love imitating what other people do, especially what their parents do. If kids see you enjoy reading daily, they're also more likely to enjoy reading. And finally, number 6, provide books they can relate to. Why does this work? Kids will likely be engaged in books that describe a familiar experience because they'll connect the similarities between their experience and the book. Now, I know you're a busy parent, and because I want to make this easy on you, I've made the free printable guide to the steps mentioned in this video. Simply go to the description box below and click on the link titled Free Printable Guide. I hope you found this video helpful, and on that note, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That'll let YouTube know this video is helpful, and it'll spread it to other parents just like you.